Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to W Schools. Today we'll be doing practice problem number 3.5. Calculate the mesh currents I1 and I2 of the circuits of figure 3.19. Now, this will be a mesh analysis, and you can just do the mesh rule, which is take loops of each loop, like the I1 loop and the I2 loop. The first KVL mesh loop would be this right here. We're going to go with the loop. We're going to go with anything entering the negative becomes negative. So it's, since the loop is going in this direction, it's going to enter the negative right here. It's going to be negative 45 plus 2I1 plus 12 in brackets I1 minus I2, which is the other loop, that because it's between both of them, plus 4I1 and make it equal to 0. After getting this, we simplify the equation and divided by 3, and eventually we'll get to this equation right here, our first equation. Now we can go to the KVL2, mesh 2, the second loop, and the second loop will be, as we said, everything entering or the positive or the negative is the same sign. So this is entering the positive if we go this direction, so it'll be 30 volts plus for 30 volts, plus 3I2 plus 12 between brackets I2 minus I1. Since this is in the I2 direction, I2 starts first. Well, we can see here when it was in I1, we start with I1 here in the negative. And after that, plus 9 I2 equals 0. We simplify it, divide it by 6, and eventually we'll get to this equation right here. Now, using the elimination method, we can just put both equations. We can subtract 15 minus 5 equals 10, minus 4 minus 4, which would be positive, would be 0, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. So I1 would be 10 over 4, 10 over 4 being 2.5. And then you substitute I1 value in the second equation. So we put 2.5 instead of I1, which 2 times 2.5 would be 5, minus 4I2 equals 5. So that would mean negative 4I2 would equal 5 minus 5, which would mean I2 would equal 0. That was it for this practice problem. Thank you for watching.